Lesson 7, Long A. In lessons 5 and 6, you learned some ways to make long vowel sounds. In lessons 7 through 11, you will see different ways to make long vowel sounds with two vowels together. Remember that these are not complete lists. Different letter combinations will make these long vowel sounds, and sometimes these combinations will make different sounds. Just remember that in a group of vowels, the first one speaks and the others are silent. You will learn rule exceptions, new rules, and different ways to spell sounds as your English improves. A plus I and A plus Y can make the long A sound. A, rain, ch, a, chain, a, train, a, day, a, tray. Usually, if the long A sound is at the middle of a word, then it is spelled with AI. If it is at the end of the word, then it is spelled with AY. The long A sound can also be made with EA and EIGH. Here are two common examples. St, a, k, steak, a, t, eight. Great job! Learning the letter combinations of long vowel sounds takes time. But if you master these simple rules, you'll be well on your way to becoming a great reader and speaker. In Lesson 8, we'll look at the long E sound.